all, welcome to John's Making. Today we got U-96 submarine, the U-boats of course. There we go, kit 10. Here is kit 9. The 2 torpedo tubes with all that detail on, all that piping. I'm sure you will have enjoyed that. It took quite a while to do that actually. Today we've got the actual torpedoes and we've got a piece of the hull. So let's have a quick look at the instructions. There we go. So we have the upper part of the hull. We have 1002 and 1003. They're connectors for the hull, and we have the torpedoes, 2 upper half, 2 lower half, and here we have the propeller blades, and in here we have 2 shafts, pins basically, and then we got the screws of course. Excellent. Black for plastic, silver for metal. Excellent stuff. So first of all, we need to take these off the sprues and we need to pop all this to one side. I'm going to take these off with a knife because I think the sprues might cause a little bit too much damage. Or sprue cutters I should say. That's them 2 off. There we go, that's the propeller blades. All we need to do is to match these up. There's 2 off one sprue and 2 off the other, and pop in a pin through the middle. Just going to pin, or as they call it, a shaft. Pop that shaft through there. There we go. That's them 2 together, and do the same with this one. Got them run right. A little bit fiddly. Well, there we go. That's the propeller blades for both torpedoes. Excellent stuff. And all we need to do is to pop these into this half where you've got that on that end, and basically pop that on there like so, and that one there. Then it's just a matter of popping these together. Now you can pop some glue on these pegs, they go into them holes there, and same with that one and that one. So we can pop some glue, and here you don't need much. There we go. I can do the same with the other one. Just get these, make sure those blades are correct, and get this lined up, and snap it together. Yeah, blades will come out, won't they? Typical. Line that up from the back. There we go. Excellent. There we go. Yep. They still circulate a little bit. Right. Got this one together now. There's 2 little grooves for that pin to situate itself over that lower half. There we go. Oh, that was going to be awkward. Just hold that like that for a second. I'll let that glue set. Okay, there we go. That's the torpedoes put together. Let's see if they go in here now. No, that's a little bit, yeah, Looks like we're going to have to file down them fins at the back. Yeah, it's not gone in. Yeah, if it doesn't go in, just file these fins down at the back here. So I'll just sand them down a little. Okay, this one doesn't go in. It's very, well, it does, but it's a very tight fit. This one I've managed to sand down, so it goes in nice and bonny. Just make sure the fins close up with glue, and then you can sand them down. This is my sanding stick for this. So that one goes in, no problem, and will come out no problem. Whereas this one, yeah, you can see the fins are opened up there and there. So I'll glue them and then I'll try it again. So I've made sure that the fins are glued together. Just sand them down slightly, and we can now try again. Okay, let's give that another whirl. There we go, going in nicely, and so is that one. If anything, that one's freer than that one, but they'll come in and out no problem. Excellent stuff. Okay, we can put them to one side because now we need the hole and we need these two connectors, and we need to put these two connectors onto the back here, here, here and here. Yep. And the first one we need is this one. I believe goes there. Does it go there? Yep, just like that. And then this one will go on here, and we need the AM screws, that's right, which are the silver ones. Okay, pop that one in a bit of oil, get these onto here, just the 4 screws. There we go, that's all 4 screws in place. Excellent, it's nice and solid. Now here we have the submarine, and it basically goes on to here, fits just there like that, and we can now connect up here and here with the black screws. Yep, you'll need 2 of these. Put that there. Going into plastic, don't forget. There we go. So that screw there, that screw there. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go, folks. That is that panel now in place. Now we do have another panel for this side, and even though they don't fully seem to line up 100% perfect yet, it's because we need other panels to get the stability. But there we go. That is kit 10 completed, along with, there we go, 1 torpedo, 2 torpedoes. Excellent stuff. Slide in and out nicely now. Brilliant. Lovely jubbly. Okay guys, there we go. There's the submarine up to now. That panel in place there. Only a small panel. Like I said, we have got another one for this side. Kit 11 and kit 12. Here we have, oh, there's kit 12. There we go. 2 more torpedoes, kit 12, and oh, there it is. There's kit 11. Torpedo tubes again. So we have all this to again in one video. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go. Anyway, that is kit 10. There we go. Those torpedoes again. Yeah, just have to file the fins down. Do it evenly, because you do have to glue 2 of them at the back because they don't fully meet up, even though you put glue on the posts to keep the tubes together. You'll find that once you've glued the fins, you just need to rub them down a little bit. You don't need a really coarse sanding stick. There you go, 800. That'll do you fine. You could try finer ones if you want first, but that 800 one hasn't left any marking on it whatsoever. It hasn't discoloured it. It's perfectly good actually. Brilliant. There we go. And I know what some of you are thinking, you put them in the tubes anyway. Excellent stuff. There we go. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for 11 and 12. Hopefully I can get them done in one video. Brilliant. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.